Hey everybody, it's the Gaminators. We're here and today
we're playing Uno.
Uno's fun. So we have our Uno here. And we're gonna play. It's by Mattel Games. It's for 7 and up, players 2 to 10. For everybody, it says easy to pick up, impossible to put down. You think it's gonna be easy or impossible to put down?
I don't think so.
No, he's got zero faith in this, y'all. And then again, we played this before, obviously, so that's why we know how. But it says colors and decorations may vary. That comes with everything. It says includes Spanish instructions, so that's awesome. I mean, it comes in Espanol. And so we are going to open this up. Oh, come in. Oh, we have a visitor. It's my brother, my other brother. Go ahead and sit down. Come on in, my brother. It won't open. And, oh my gosh.
I'll check the
Uno does not like me today. The force is not with me. Comment down below. Y'all like Star Wars? Do you like Star Wars?
Yes, I do.
I mean, honestly, I think there's still something in it.
No.
Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of Star Wars, but, I mean, whatever helps you sleep at night. If you like Star Wars, do you. We're going to shuffle these up. My friend gave me these. We have another set, but, my friend gave me these for Christmas. And her name is Bethany. She's an amazing person. And so we're gonna be using these. I bet she got them at Walmart. That's where we got ours, I think, for relatively cheap. And so yeah, you can go get them at Walmart. Easy peasy. What? Nothing. Oh, okay. Yes. But here's the instructions, guys. Uno. Fun. It says it's a card game. I think it's a card game. I think so. Yep, there it is. Anyway, took it a minute. Focus.
That's because
But
they can read. If they can't read, they can't play.
well, I'd say most of them can read. But it said, but those of you that can't read, we want to appeal to all ages. So it says Uno card game. It's got a bunch of different instructions. So it comes with 108 cards as follows: 19 blue cards, 0 to 9. That's for every color, and then draw 2 cards, 2 in each blue, or 2 in each color, and 8 reverse cards, 2 in each color, 8 skip cards, 2 in each color, 4 wild cards, and 4 draw 4 cards. So yeah, I'm gonna shuffle these. I've like mindlessly shuffled these a couple times, but I'm gonna do it one more time just to be sure. By the way, don't know if I introduced you guys or not, but here's my brother. He is joining me in this video, and also my other brother. Say hi to my partner and brother. Say hi.
Hi.
And he likes to wave. I don't know. And then say hello to my other brother.
Hi.
Are you 7 and up?
I'm 10.
Okay, yeah. He's 10. He's 6. Right? 6 or 7? 6? Yeah, he's 6. Okay, hold on, guys. Each person gets 7 cards. I'll deal these out, and we will get back to you guys. Okay, guys, we have our cards dealed out. Everybody, or each person, we both got 7 cards. By the way, say hello to my other brother. Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. By the way, he's 11, right? Excuse my poor brain. I cannot remember anything. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take the top card. No, we're each going to take a card. This is gonna figure out who goes first and lay them down. Oh, the person with the biggest number gets to go first, and so you can use this for more than just 2 players. And so these go on the bottom, and I get to go first. What was that? He just like exploded, guys. Not literally. It's okay. But we have our top card here, and that is going to be our lay deck. And I guess that's what you call it.
I don't know.
For lack of a better term, that's the lay deck. And so I'm gonna go first. And so we have a green card, green 4, and that means I have to lay down a card that has some resemblance. I'm gonna lay down this green 1, and yes, I know it does not have the same number, but they're both green, so I can lay that down. Now is my bro's turn.
And I'm going to lay
What?
I'm going to change the color to red.
Okay, so you laid down a wild, and you can do this if you lay down a +4 or a wild. You can change the color. You can pick the color. And so he picked what? What'd you pick?
Red.
Okay, so he picked red. That means I have to lay a red card down, and I have a red 2. So that means he has to lay down either a red card or a card with a 2 card, or a card with a 2 on it.
I laid a blue 2.
Okay, a blue 2. Okay. I'm going to lay down something. We'll figure out what that is. And I'm going to lay it down. And I'm gonna lay down a blue 7. Once again, not the same number, but they're both blue. They're both, let me change that. They're both the same color. So, go ahead. Okay, so he laid down a blue 8, and I'm going to lay down. He's like, don't let anybody see your cards, but it's okay. On the camera. In real life, don't let anybody see your cards, because they can keep the color from coming, so you can't lay that thing down, and so you can't give them that +2. So, which we'll get to later. So I laid down a wild, and the color is yellow.
And I switch it back to your turn.
Oh, so when you're playing with 2 people, that's basically a skip, so he gets to go again.
And I have another skip.
Oh, come on. And see, you may be wondering, why can he lay that down? Well, it's not the same color, but he matched the symbol. They're both switches. Or reverses. They're both reverses. So, continue. So you skipped me twice. And 0.
Uno.
Okay. Oh, yeah. When you have 1 card left, you have to yell Uno. And I have this. The color's blue.
Blue?
Yes.
Ah, shoot.
So he doesn't have a blue card, which means he has to draw one. Some people will play and you have to draw and draw and draw until you get the right one. But I mean, you can play like that, but we don't. Because like you end up with, everybody has a million cards, and we've actually played that before. We played with my dad one time. And he decided that if you laid down a +2 and then somebody else laid down a +2 and then a +4 and then yada yada yada, you had to like add all of those together and then draw that many, and everybody had like 25 cards, and it was horrible. Okay, he's leaving. So say bye, guys. Thanks for joining us. So
Yes.
he's leaving.
Okay,
You can let the door close.
Hey,
He's trying to be a sneaky ninja, y'all.
I did not draw any card that was blue, so it's
I'm
your
looking
turn.
for
Oh wait, so yeah.
any of the cards.
Oh, what color did I say? Blue? Okay.
Yes.
So now he has to lay down a blue card.
You didn't yell Uno.
Oh man, if you don't yell Uno and they catch you, then you have to draw 2. And so now I'm back to 3. Yay me. But either way.
Okay, I do not have a blue card or a 7, so I'm
See,
gonna have
it's
to draw.
actually closer to not showing the cards on the camera. Tanner is actually showing his cards.
We'll see. We'll watch it. See if it shows up. Sorry guys. awkward silence. Go ahead. You
I
got,
do not have.
so you had to draw one?
Yes, and I did
Okay.
not draw the right one, so I cannot lay anything.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Went blank. What are we doing? Oh, yeah, we're playing Uno. I knew that.
And it's your go.
Right. I knew that. I do not have a 7 card or a blue card. So that means I gotta draw one, and I still don't have anything. So now it's your turn.
Why is this?
And I do not
I
have.
wish we could get to some +2s and +4s so that we can
Cards.
show them.
Why are you still getting cards?
It's your go because I did not get anything. You're gonna have to draw.
Yes. Ooh! Bam!
Okay.
So,
Well,
once again, same number, different color. That's okay. We matched the number. Okay. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. I can do this. Okay. So, once again, different color. Once again, different color, same number. Twice in a row. I'm gonna change
This
the
time?
color
don't forget.
to rojo.
Okay,
Uno.
get ready.
Uno.
Oh,
You said
dang.
You laid it, then said you.
Uno. Ha! Can't catch me this time.
Ah, and I ain't got nothing. Okay. I skip you,
Yeah.
and
No.
I have to
Don't.
draw
No.
again.
You
And
just
it's your go.
person yourself. And, guys, end of the game. I won. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And so, that means he loses. But hey, I'm going to suck up the glory. Yes, I am. But it doesn't matter because, I mean, we both had fun, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we both had fun. It was a good game. And I hope that we taught you guys a little bit how to play Uno. Just to get to what we didn't cover. If you lay down a +2 and then someone else lays down a +2, that would be like if he lays down a +2 and I draw 2 and then I lay down a +2, that means he has to draw 4. And then if you add a +4 on top of that or another +2, it doesn't do anything. It's just another, and then say, okay, he draws 4, and then he lays down a +2. I only have to draw 2. +4s and wilds, you get to change the color. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions about the game, comment below. We'll answer them for you, or email us at crochetforlefties.contact@gmail.com. There's it's down in the description box below. If you want to see it, email us. We will gladly email you back. And sorry guys for the awkward silence in this video. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and adios, mi amigos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment down below, tell us what you think. Tell us, and also, do you like Star Wars? Tell us down below. Yeah. Hope you guys have an amazing day, and bye-bye.